Sample low-carb meal ideas. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese, Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of almonds. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes and avocado. Zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. Dinner, baked salmon with roasted Brussels sprouts. Cauliflower rice stir-fry with tofu and colorful vegetables. Snacks, celery sticks with cream cheese or almond butter, hard-boiled eggs, mixed nuts in moderation. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.